Hi, this is Lakshman from Spiro Group of Companies working as a Java developer. Let me explain my data mining project. TRIP, an interactive retrieving inferring data imputation approach. In this approach to non-quantitative string data can be roughly put into two categories, inferring based approach and retrieving based approach. Specifically, the inferring based approach finds substitute or estimation for the missing one from the complete part of data set. However, they typically fall short in filling the missing attribute value. In the existing concept, most existing imputation method to string attribute value are inferring based approach, which usually fail to reach a high imputation recall by just inferring a missing value. The proposed system, we propose to retrieve and insert missing value from all kind of web page, which was proved to reach an higher imputation. The existing techniques that is used is inferring based approach, and the proposed technique that is used is retrieving and inferring based approach. The existing technique definition is the inferring based imputation method often fails to fill some missing value, as not all missing values are inferable based on the inferable rules corresponding to those constraints. The proposed technique definitions are retrieving and inferring based approach, which retrieve and insert the missing value from all kind of data sets. The drawback of existing system are low imputation recall, and it will not retrieve the data from database. The advantages of proposed system are high imputation recall, which will both insert and retrieve data. The applications that can be used from this project is Gmail password retrieving. The hardware requirements are Pentium 4 2.6 GHz, Intel Core 2 Duo. The software requirements: front-end JSP servlet, Struts, and backend is MySQL 5.5. The operating system is Windows 7, and the tool that is used to develop is Eclipse. Future enhancement. Future work may use inference rules and retrieving queries corresponding to the other attribute dependency and apply TRIP to some other HDA scenarios. The technique that is used in future enhancement is inference rule. The extravagance of future enhancement is it will unlock some uncertain inferable deadlocks which are harder to get unlocked. Thank you.